All right, so now that we know how we can determine the exterior angle of any polygon or the interior angle of any polygon, and more importantly, if they're regular, we'll know what the value of each of them are. This question says, how can we find the number of sides of any regular convex polygon? Again, we're living in the regular convex world, so all of our angles and all of our side lengths will always be the same value. And what happens is, well, we kind of saw it already. We're using that 360 degree, remember that's the sum of the exterior angles, and we create this formula or this way of solving for the number of sides. It's equal to 360 divided by the exterior angle. Make sure you pause the video and get that written down. So this is our tool. This is one of those tools in our toolbox like we had with our SOHCAHTOA rules back in right triangles that we'll use no matter what happens. As long as we're talking about a regular convex polygon, we can use this tool to determine the number of sides. And this is an example. Here's the way this is going to kind of roll out. You're going to see a lot of questions that are given to you in words. Okay, so how many sides does a regular convex polygon have if one of the exterior angle measures 90 degrees? All right, so I'm going to write down here the exterior angle is equal to 90 degrees. That's the given information. I might want to rewrite that on my notes or on my page if I'm trying to work through this. And this is asking me for the number of sides. So maybe number of sides I put over here as a question mark because that's my find. And I go to that formula I just wrote, which said that the number of sides is going to equal the sum of the exterior angles, 360, divided by whatever the value of each of the exterior angles are, because we're effectively sharing that amongst our sides. So I'm going to take that 360 and divide it by, in this case, 90, because that's what they are telling me my exterior angle measure is. And in my calculator, 360 divided by 90, many of you have probably come up with this already. We have 4 sides given an exterior angle measure of 90 degrees. All right, so same process here. Question is, how many sides does a regular convex polygon have if one of the exterior angles measures 40 degrees? Go ahead and pause the video and come up with the number of sides of that guy, and then check your work. All right, and you should have come up with 9 sides given a 40-degree exterior angle measure. We will always find that to have 9 sides.